morning everyone. My name is Vidya. I am studying in UKG. My project name is Essence for God. We have 5 sets of words. They are eyes,
It you do.